Moonshine and sunshine. In today's lesson, we're learning a new sound. That new sound is A. You will notice it has an a, and a y. When they're put together, they say A. Special friends, A. My turn, A. Your turn, brilliant. A. 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 May I play? Fantastic. You've just learned how to say the new sound A. Brilliant. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to hide this sound amongst some other sounds that you already know. Say the sounds as you see them, and then when you see the A card pop up, you need to point at it and go A. Let's practice. Well done, brilliant. Okay, let me just hide it, and then I see if you can find it. Ready? Let's go. Well done, brilliant. You now know the sound A. Fantastic. We're now going to have a look at some words that have the A sound in. Because we've not done this sound before, we're not going to do green quick words. We're going to sound them out together using our fingers. Okay, the first one, D-A, day. Well done. One more time, D-A, fantastic. A, say. Well done. Let's try it again. A, say. Well done. And the final one, A, play. One more time. A, play. Well done. In the next part, you will have your green words, quick ones that you know. And when you see them, just say them. Okay, so here we've got green words, speed sounds, set 1. You should know these words, and so they're going to come fast, and you sound the word out in your head and then say the word. Good luck. Here we go. Mad, sad, dad, mat, sat. In the last part of the lesson, I'm going to sound out the word and I want you to then write it down. Okay, here we go. Ox, ox. Write it down and hopefully it should look like this, and the word is fox. Okay, the next one. And. 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 See if you can write it. And hopefully it should look like this. And. And. Okay, the next word has one of our special friends that we practiced yesterday. It has the special friend sh in it. Let's sound it out. Sh. What word is it? Fish. Now have a go at writing it. And it should look like this. Sh. Fish. This is another word that has one of our special friends from yesterday's lesson. Ch. Ch. O. Chop. Have a go at writing it. Pause the video if you need to, so it gives you more time. And then hopefully it should look like this. Ch, o, chop. And the final one has the special friend ng. S, I, sing. Write it, pause the video so you have time, and it should look like this. S, I, sing. That is all for today's lesson. Tomorrow we will learn another sound.